Hey, it's Gary from the Natural Living and Survival blog, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy do-it-yourself wood cleaner and polish. Now this works really well on your wood. It's got some carrier oil in it which helps nourish your wood and makes it look really great. So first off, we're going to get a cup of distilled water. And then we're going to put in a quarter cup of vinegar. And we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of carrier oil. Now the carrier oil I'm using, we actually sell it in our shop. This is grapeseed oil. It's a really light oil, so it shines your wood really well and it soaks into the pores of the wood and makes it really shiny. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons of that in there. And then to finish it off, what I like is, a lot of people use lemon oil. I like the orange oil. It's another citrus oil that makes your house smell really good. It gives it a clean, fresh scent, and it's good for your wood too. So we're going to put in 10 drops of the orange essential oil. And that smells really good. And then we're just going to put the cap on. You want to shake it up real good to mix all the ingredients. And you want to shake it each time you get ready to use it because the oil and the water will separate. You want to make sure everything's mixed up good when you're using it. So let's go try it out on some wood. Okay, so we've got our wood polishing cleaner here. And as you can see, this table's in pretty bad need of polishing and dusting, so we're going to spray this on, get our microfiber cloth, clean it off, and see how it looks when we finish. And it helps if we turn our spray bottle on. Alright, now we've got a microfiber cloth and we're just going to wipe this off. Now we're going to take a dry microfiber cloth and polish it up. Now you can see how shiny and clean that wood looks. So we're going to put our seashells back in the middle of it. So as you can see, the wood is a lot shinier than it was before. It's got a nice shine, gleam to it. So this really works well on all kinds of woods. So make you some up, use it on your wood. Let me know what you think in the comments. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.